Hey everybody, it's Emeril with some exciting news. I developed an automatic pasta maker that makes pasta as good as me. No more kneading by hand, rolling it out until it's the right thickness, and struggling to feed it through a manual pasta maker. Introducing Pasta and Beyond. Now, you can make hundreds of different kinds of pastas.
Don't spend hours mixing your dough, then kneading it, rolling it out, and feeding it through a manual pasta maker.
Now you can make hundreds of different kinds of pastas just as good as I can.
Add your flour, add your wet ingredients, and instantly start to make fresh pasta. The secret is the super powerful motor that drives the mixing bar to knead and squeeze out evenly mixed dough. With 8 shaping discs, it means you can make any fresh pasta you like. Spaghetti, fettuccine, linguini, angel hair. Add vegetable juice to make beet juice penne. Spinach juice tagliatelle, and you can add fresh herbs right into your dough. Make fresh lasagna sheets for an ooey gooey homemade favorite, and use the same sheets to make ravioli and dumplings. Make fresh chicken soup noodles, udon for soups and stir fry, and fresh healthier ramen. Make your pasta with your favorite flour. Make gluten-free elbows for mac and cheese that kids will love. Don't spend a fortune on fresh pasta from the store. You can make an entire pound. That's 8 servings for less than 40 pence. And here's the best part, it cooks 70% faster than pasta in a box, and you can freeze it. When you want to cook it, in just minutes it'll taste just as fresh as the day you made it. And there's smart storage built in for all your shaping discs. You want more? It's also a pro-grade juicer. Juice hard vegetables and fruit in delicious combinations. Fast juicers leave more juice in the pulp. Look how wet theirs is compared to ours, and how much more juice is left in our glass. And there's more. It's also a frozen fruit dessert maker. Transform frozen fruit into frozen fruit soft serve, sorbet, gelato, and frozen yogurt. And cleanup is a breeze. All of the pieces are dishwasher safe. With Emeril Pasta and Beyond, you'll be able to make fresh homemade pasta in your very own kitchen. The 8 shaping discs allow you to make a variety of different pasta shapes like spaghetti, linguini, penne, and lasagna sheets, and much more. Pasta and Beyond is even a pro-grade juicer. Mix and match different fruits and vegetables to make delicious juices. Transform frozen fruit into frozen fruit soft serve, sorbet, gelato, and frozen yogurt. And it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Get your very own Emeril Pasta and Beyond, complete with the 8 pasta shaping discs, 2 measuring cups, the pasta spatula, and the cleaning brush for the amazing price of $169.99. As a bonus, you'll also receive the juicer and frozen treats attachment. But that's not all. We'll also include 2 recipe books, packed full of Emeril's favorite recipes you can perfect right at home.
Book number 1 includes my favorite pasta recipes for fettuccine nero, lamb ragu, and my famous spaghetti and meatballs. It even includes a whole section on different pasta doughs like whole wheat and gluten-free. Book number 2 is filled with juice recipes like cucumber grapefruit spritz and watermelon mint cooler. You can make frozen fruit soft serve, healthy versions of your favorite ice cream like Rocky Road with half the calories.
Get your incredible Emeril Pasta and Beyond with everything you see on screen for the amazing price of $169.99, and we'll even throw in free delivery. We're so confident you will love Emeril Pasta and Beyond that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back for a refund. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now and start making delicious, fresh pasta at home with Emeril's Pasta and Beyond from JML.